Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the YouTube LTI for Canvas. The YouTube LTI allows you to embed a YouTube video in Canvas, and it also strips the ads from that video. So it is incredibly useful as you can direct students to watch the exact video that you want them to watch without any ads. So if I select the drop down, and I have to be working in the rich content editor, but any place in the rich content editor in Canvas, if I find the plugin and I click the drop down, I can select YouTube. If it's not showing, you can simply select view all, and then you will see all the LTI apps, and they are alphabetical, so you can simply then find YouTube and click on that. When you do that, it brings up, if you will, a miniature version of YouTube. And this is just a YouTube search. So let's say that I want a crash course video. I can search crash course, and I will see various crash course videos. And from here, I have several options. One, what draws me in right away is just the embed option. I can click embed and the video will be embedded. If I click the drop down right here, notice I have four options. I can return a link, which is going to put a link to the video, and that's going to take students out of Canvas into YouTube, so I would not recommend that. You can choose embed small, embed medium, or embed large. Embed medium is the default, so the drop down helps if you want a smaller or a larger version of the video. So let me just do embed small, and I will place that video in Canvas. And to repeat the process, I want to show you another option that is available to you. So going back and selecting YouTube again, I'm brought back to the search. Number one, my searches will be saved so that I can use the same search again if I would like. And from here, notice the green. I didn't realize this at first. It didn't draw me in, but now I realize what it does. It's very helpful. So this green right here allows me to preview the video. So I can click right here and I can preview that video. So if I don't know the exact video that I want, if I'm just going to look, I can actually do my searching for my videos right here instead of going to YouTube and then trying to bring them in. I can search here. I can preview this video. I can watch it. And when I'm done, I can go back and say, go back to the search results, and then I can choose to embed it. If I don't like that, then maybe I'm going to go find another video that's associated with crash course, like let's say this one right here, and I could preview that one. And if I know that's the one that I want, then I can say, okay, embed, and you'll see the difference now between medium and large. So there's medium and there's large, but that preview button comes in very handy. Hopefully that helps. If you have any questions about using the YouTube LTI app within Canvas, please let me know. I will be happy to help. Hopefully this helps you out, and I hope that you have a great day.